Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, today date is 3 December 2020. Class is 6th. Subject science. Period first. Now students, I am going to ask you some questions. If you know the answer, raise your hand and answer in a complete sentence. Name some objects around you in class.
Chalk, blackboard, duster.
Good. From chalk and bench, which is difficult to carry easily.
Bench is difficult to carry easily.
Why bench is difficult to carry easily?
Bench is difficult to carry easily because it has more mass than chalk.
Yes. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called?
Matter.
Answer in complete sentence.
Anything that occupies shape and has mass is called matter.
What is states of matter? So students, today we will study about states of matter in detail. What happens when you keep a bowl of water in refrigerator?
When a bowl of water is kept in a refrigerator, then water changes into ice.
Yes, very good. What are the states of matter? So, there are 3 states of matter. How many states of matter are there? How many
types.
states of matter are there? Yes, there are 3
Three types.
states of matter. Now, look at the chart. There are 3 states of matter and they are solid, liquid and gas. They are solid, liquid and gas. From what matter is made up of?
Matter is made up of a teeny particle called atoms and molecules.
What are solids? So, solid are having definite shape and definite volume. Solid. These are the states of matter which have definite shape and definite volume. Definite shape and volume. Now students, look at the chart. This is a diagram indicating solid and these are the molecules of solid. Now from this you can see that these molecules are very close to each other. So the intermolecular force between the molecules of solid is very large. Okay. Now this is a magnet. It is in solid state. As you have studied here, so there are very strong molecular attraction and the molecules are very close. When you compress it, it will not change its shape and volume because it has definite shape and definite volume. When you fill a bottle with water in a container, then what happens?
Then water takes shape of bottle.
Yes. What are liquid? So, liquid are the state is the state of matter which has definite volume but no definite shape. Liquid. Liquid has definite volume but not definite shape. Now students, look at the chart over here. This is the diagram indicating liquid and these are the molecules of liquid. As you have seen here, this is the diagram of solid and these molecules are very close, but the molecules of the liquid are far from the distance. So the intermolecular attraction between these liquid molecules are very less in compared to solid. Now this is a container. In this the water is filled and now I am pouring it into this container. What is happening? The water is now containing the shape of this container because the water has definite volume but not definite shape. So it contains the shape of second container. Okay. Now when you burn wood, what comes?
When we burn wood, the smoke comes out.
Okay. What are gas? What are gases? So, gases are the third states of matter and it has neither definite shape nor definite volume. Yes. Neither shape neither definite shape nor volume. Now look at this diagram. This is the diagram of gas and these are indicating molecules of the gas. So these molecules are very far from each other. So we can compress the gas molecule very large in comparison to solid and liquid. As you can see, this is a balloon and it is filled with the gas. Okay. So the the air inside the balloon is taking the shape of this balloon because it has neither definite shape nor definite volume. Okay. Now students, answer some questions which I am going to tell you. How many states of matter are there?
There are 3 states of matter.
Very good. There are 3 states of matter. Now my second question is, name all these states of matter.
Solid, liquid, gas.
Very good. Solid, liquid and gases are the states of matter. What are solid?
Solid has definite shape and definite value.
Very good. Solid has definite shape and definite volume. What are gases?
Gases has no definite volume and no definite shape.
Very good. Gas has no definite shape. Not volume. Now give some examples of liquid.
Oil, water, milk, etc.
Answer in complete sentence. Give some examples of liquid.
Examples of liquid are oil, water, milk.
Very good. Oil, water and milk. These are liquid. Now, students, write down the answers written on the blackboard in your notebook. Noted?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Now, students, these are some fill up. The first one is states of matter are solid, liquid and
Gas.
very good. Gas. Second is solid has definite.
Shape and definite value.
Very good. Water dash states of matter.
Water, liquid state of matter.
Very good. Liquid. Gases has no definite dash and no
Definite value. No definite shape and no definite value.
good. No definite shape and volume. Pen is in
Solid
State.
state.
solid state. Very good. Now students, open your diary and note down your homework. So your homework is write the difference between solid and liquid. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you class.